gets hot, sizzling a little bit. See the rubber I put under the motor mount? That saves your bike, man. This is a real American Schwinn. I'm not going to destroy it. I had the Grubee Skyhawk motor mount repaired right here at Hicks Welding here in Lakeland, Florida. Hicks Welding, H-I-C-K-S Welding, Lakeland, Florida, man. They do a great job. Good bunch of fellows down there. Go see them if you need something done. They have a good price, too. I've owned many motorcycles, and never have I had as much fun as I have had on this right here. And that is the truth. I'm 45 years old, and I just got this when I was 44. And I can't believe, man, that I've lived this long without one of these.